Ahoy mateys, and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to build a Slimer themed arcade cabinet. My best friend wanted me to build him a wall mounted arcade like the one I built before. This video will be part 1 of the build series. Let's turn our proton packs on and cross some streams. Arrgh. Throw it! Started with drawing up the outline for the side panels, using my high-tech cup for the corners. My rum cup. Then cut out the side panels. Stacked it on top of another piece of MDF board and locked them down. Used a fancy circular saw and cut out the 2 pieces. Then for the corner I used a jigsaw. This is what it looked like after. After that I sanded down all those rough corners. Used a router to cut out the T-molding slots for both panels. Took it nice and slow. Didn't want the router to walk on me. This is what it looked like after. Moved on to cutting out the panels for the marquee box and the front panel that holds the speakers and amp. Did you know that Slimer is 90% KY jelly and 10% lime jello? I didn't know that. Marked and cut out the speakers and amp location. Sanded everything down. This is what it looked like after. Marked and drilled out the joystick, buttons, and cup holder locations. Then sanded everything down again. Moved back over to the marquee panels and started marking out the screw hole locations for the L brackets. Drilled them out and screwed in the L brackets. Did this for both sides. Mounted and installed all the panels for the marquee box. When filming the scene between Bill Murray and Slimer, Bill was accidentally overdosed with corn syrup and Methocil. Corn syrup.
Batman, what happened? Are you okay?
He slimed me.
There it is.
Drill a hole for the LED power cable. Install the L bracket for the front panel, mounted and installed the panel. This is what it looked like after. Installed some more L brackets for the control board. This is what it looked like after. Marked out and installed more L brackets on the TV panel. Drilled out the screw holes for the TV. Test screwed the panel to the TV to make sure it fit. Marked and drilled out the holes for the TV mount. Screwed in the panel to the cab. Screwed in the TV to see how it looks. This is what it looked like after. And that's it for part 1 of this Slimer arcade build. Stay tuned for part 2 for the next part of the build.
Maybe now you'll never slime a guy with a positron glider.
If you like this video and want to see more, slime the like button, cross the streams on the subscribe button, and scream at the bell for future video notifications. Until next time, buckos, it's the Arcade Pirates sailing out.